I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. The show goes on. This is my home. They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard or fucking SWAT team, because I ain't going nowhere.
I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I am not giving up. We ain't done yet. What's up? What's up? What's going on, everybody? It is your boy, Dragonfly Mace, and I'm back again with another update. This is going to be real quick. I promise, very quick. This video is going to be on JASMY Coin. I did a video on this token a while ago. I think like maybe two. This will be number 3, I think. Well, whatever. So this is going to be a quick one. Again, like I said, JASMY Coin. Where we're sitting right now in the market, how it's looking on the charts. It ain't really looking the greatest, but that doesn't mean that I'm giving up on this project yet. I believe that we're going to run, but not right now. You know, the engines are not getting started yet, but it will come soon, I think. There's some things in the mix, I believe, behind the scenes. There's some things that I've seen on X. I do have to verify them first before I even talk about this stuff. But like I said, real quick, I just want to do a little update. One of my subscribers actually asked me a question, left a comment asking a question about JASMY Coin. And I'm going to answer a question, but not tonight. I'm going to get to it, though, okay? But with that being said, let's go look and see how it's looking on the charts. And then we will see how it's looking on my favorite site, bubbles.com, and then we'll close the video. All right, let's go. Okay, people. So we are on the daily chart with JASMY. And just looking at it, it's looking like it's trending down. I mean, I don't see it hitting this support level, but it's trending down, it looks like. Just from here, just on the daily. We hit our resistance. We hit it twice here, which was back in July. And we just couldn't break it. Well, we broke it a little bit, but we couldn't really break resistance too much. I thought it was going to go past. I thought it at least was going to hit 5 cents when we hit that resistance line, but we did make it pass. And then from there, it just kind of just took a nosedive, and it dropped down to about the level, well, a little bit higher than the levels that we're seeing right now. But yeah, it did drop. But then it, it corrected a little bit, and then it got back up to almost 2 cents again, about 0.019, and then it just dropped from there. From there, it was just a fall here, and right now we're sitting at 0.013 right now. So we got the resistance down here at about, I'm sorry, not resistance. We got support levels down here at about 0.010. So still above 1 cent. I don't think that we'll drop that low, but it is red September, so I don't know. There's a possibility that it could. But I'm holding on to it, and I'm going to see. Let's look at it on the weekly chart. Let's see how it's looking on a weekly. Ooh, okay. On the weekly, it's okay. It's a little consolidation here, right here. It's not the greatest. A little consolidation here, just moving sideways. That's all. Yeah, let's look at the monthly. Monthly. All right, man. I'm not giving up on this project yet. I'm still hanging in there. I still believe in this project. The charts just look a little crazy right now, but I do feel that this is gonna make a correction. It's gonna bounce back. Hold on, let me delete that. I didn't mean to put that there. Yeah, I think it's gonna bounce back eventually. But right now it's just not really looking the greatest. But we do have a green candle right now. It's a new candle for the new day. So we'll see where this ends up. But for now, I don't really see any magic happening with Jasmine. So let's go over the crypto bubbles real quick and let's see what's going on. All right, so looking at crypto bubbles, everything is pretty much in the red here. Let's see what ETH is at. ETH is at 4,329 right now. It's down for the week, down 3.1%. Down for the day, 3% ETH. So Jasmine pretty much runs with ETH. So if ETH is doing good, usually Jasmine coin is doing well also. But I mean, we did almost cross the all-time high with Ethereum and nothing really happened with Jasmine. So that is a little concerning. But again, I'm not giving up. So let's look at Jasmine really quick. Okay. So currently Jasmine Coin's market cap is $675.66 million, right? Okay, cool. We are up for the hour. We're up 0.5%. We're down for the day. We're down 2.5%. For the week, we are down 7.1%. For the month, we are currently down 2.9%. And lastly, for the year, we are down 25.2% for Jasmine. All right. So it's crazy looking at this from last year, right? Looking at the chart for not the chart, but looking at this from last year, it was looking really bullish, right? So around the red September, right? Around it, we were trading at about 1 cent, and then it got up to 2 cents. Then it's the start of about the start of quarter 4 last year, we really started to see that bullish movement, and then we hit about 5 cents, right? Almost 6 cents. If you look at it, it's 0.05784, so almost at that 6 cent range. But since then, everything has just been falling here. So I don't know. I don't know if it's the red September that's contributing to the prices that we're seeing right now. Maybe it'll change around. I don't know. Let me come back to you guys, okay? So I don't know. We don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. The market's going to do what the market wants to do. However, I'm not giving up on this project just yet. I am staying in the fight. I ain't hear no bell yet, so I'm not giving up yet. I'm gonna still be in this thing swinging. I'm sitting on a nice little nest with Jasmine coin, and it's super cheap. So I mean, hey, I can add a little bit more. It's a little. I guess it's some beer money I could just throw in this. Whatever. I'm supposed to be drinking no way, but anyway. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what you guys are going to do, but I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stay in the fight. I'm going to hold on. This is like one of those tokens where you got to have a lot of patience, Not really hearing too much from what they're doing. I mean, they're not really putting out information like, we're getting from XRP and we're getting from Bitcoin and we're getting from Ethereum and all these Hedera. Everybody's just throwing out information except for Jasmine, and I'm thinking, hey, did they give up on this coin? I don't think so. I don't think they gave up yet. This thing was supposed to be big. This was supposed to be This was supposed to be a huge token, right? This was supposed to be the next Bitcoin up in Japan. I don't know what they got going on over there, but they need to start talking and letting us know what's going on with this coin. But anywho, that's all I got, man. I wanted to keep this short and brief and quick. So yeah, it's up to you guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy that just stalks crypto. I will never tell you to buy or hold. I'm just gonna tell you what I would do. But it's all up to you. If you are a Jasmine coin holder, if you decide this isn't for you, hey, I understand. But yeah, this is not for the week. This is not for the week right here. But all right, guys, I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoy your night. Peace.